Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to make some really easy and yummy peanut butter cookies. For our recipe today, we need 1 1/4 cups of flour, and that is 188 grams. A half a cup of brown sugar, 115 grams. A half a cup of salted butter, 114 grams. A half a cup of peanut butter, 125 grams. A half a cup of granulated sugar, 100 grams. 1 large egg. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 5 grams. And our last ingredient, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, about 1 gram. So those are the ingredients. Let's get started. Into a large bowl, I'm going to get all of my white granulated sugar, then my brown sugar, my little bit of salt, and my egg. And all of my butter. I'm just going to take a knife and just break this down a little bit just to make it a little bit easier for the mixer. So just break up your butter and get it in. That's good. I'm going to bring in my mixer. Lock it in, make sure we're on camera here. I'm just going to bring down the mixer. I'm going to get this going. So at this point, I just want to mix this and I want to start creaming it. Okay, that's about, I don't know, maybe a minute of mixing on high. I'm going to open this up now. And now we have our flour and our little bit of baking powder. I'm just going to get all that together. Let's just give that a little bit of a stir. That's good. And then right into our mixing bowl. And that's it. One very slow mix, and that's it for our recipe. I just realized I forgot to put my peanut butter in. I was looking around and I didn't see it all. I didn't see all the ingredients. Let's get all of that in. There we go. Let's close this down one more time. And just a very, very slow mix. Let's get all of that mixed in. Okay, our peanut butter is in. Gave it just a very slow mix, and now we can clean off the paddle, and then I'm going to put this into my fridge for about 45 minutes. I might even only leave it there for about a half an hour, and then we'll do the cookies on the tray. Hey everybody, this is about 45 minutes later. Leaving your bowl in there for 30-45 minutes, you'll notice that it's going to be a lot easier to scoop the cookie dough out onto your tray. I've got 2 scoops here. I'm just going to go with the larger one. Less work. If you want way more cookies, go with the smaller one. So again, to make this super easy, you just scoop it up and then just push it right against the side of your bowl. Just like that, and then get it right on there. So what you want to do here, just get a little bit of sugar and then just push these down like that. Put it back in the sugar. A little more like that. And then do the typical crisscross. That's nice. This is optional. But I like it on the top, it's nice. By the way, I am using granulated white sugar to do this. Okay, so that's good. Now you can see that the cookies are a little bit crowded, so I'm just going to bake most of them, and I'm just going to do a second tray and bake off the rest. Hey everybody, I am back, and I baked all of my cookies for 14 minutes in my 350 degree Fahrenheit oven, and that is 177 degrees Celsius. And to keep everything equal and uniform, I baked these first, then I moved them off when they cooled, and then I put these on here and baked them as well. So 14 minutes, 14 minutes. It smells amazing in here, by the way. I wish you could be here. I'm just going to lift one up and just show you what it looks like underneath. Look at that. Nice and gold and brown. So let's check these out. Look at this. Watch. Oh, and by the way, these here are completely cool. Look at this. Get that nice sugar on the top. Oh, I got to go in for a bite. Mmm. That is so good. Yeah, oh, it's really good. A nice glass of milk or a cup of coffee or tea, and this would go very well with either of those. So good. So if you love peanut butter cookies, you've got to try out my recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you're on Facebook, you can check me out over there as well at BakeLikeAPro, and I'm also on Instagram at BakeLikeAPro. So a really fun one today. I hope you try these out. If you do, please leave me a comment down in the comment section. So that's it. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Those are amazing. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.